Hello guys, this is Secret YouTuber. We just bought Pokemon packs from Target. And let's hope we find a Charizard, the restock Target, so let's get started. So in the first one. Okay. See what we got. Cold card. Put to the side. 4 cards on top. Let's see what we get. High power. We got a lot of trains. Fluff. And we got. Oh my god. Oh. We just got this Sparkle one. Let's go to the second one. Let's hope we get a Charizard GX or something. Lift up. Set to the side. Open this up. Let's hope we get a Charizard or something like that. Open this up.
Okay, entonces, pero ¿y qué otra información va a poder conseguir desde acá?
Cold card.
No hay forma cómo.
Okay, 4 cards in front. Okay, leaf power. How did I not play on this one? Okay, Slowpoke. Already got that one. Okay, and we got. Okay. Oh. Damn it. Okay, see you next time in Secret YouTuber. Subscribe. Bye-bye.